Contract law provides the essentials required for a valid contract. Contract needs valid offer, acceptance, consideration, free consent, certainty, competency of party, and lawful object. However, there are few instances when a contract becomes invalid or becomes questionable under law. If a contract ceases to be valid, it either gets void or gets voidable. If a contract gets void, it means that any of the essentials of the contract is missing in a contract. And if it gets voidable, it means that any of the essentials of the contract is doubtful and cannot be acted upon, and one party is aggrieved because of the conduct of the other party. In such cases, the aggrieved party has the option to perform the contract or to rescind the contract. Rescission of contract means that contract cannot be acted upon and it needs to be reversed. Reversal of contract not only have implications for the contract itself, but for the instrument upon which the contract is written. An instrument being every document by which any right or liability is or purports to be created, transferred, limited, extended, or extinguished through a contract. In short, we can say for understanding that contract is a transaction written on an instrument, and instrument is that document upon which a contract is written. In case a contract is void or voidable and gets annulled by the court, then the natural consequences for the instrument that it needs to be cancelled by the court. For this purpose, a civil suit is filed in the court by the aggrieved party seeking cancellation of the instrument, and if the court is satisfied that this instrument can be used against the aggrieved party in any way, in any manner, then court issues the decree and the order cancelling the instrument, saving the aggrieved party against any misuse of the instrument and the contract. On request and prayer of the aggrieved party, court can either cancel the instrument in its entirety or can cancel the instrument partially. If the transaction is totally void, then the instrument shall be cancelled in its entirety. But if there are more transactions and one transaction is valid and the other transaction is void, court can only cancel the instrument partially to the extent of void transaction.